Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our window sticker, and I'm very sure you will enjoy this video. So follow me as I start right now. So this is how we do it. It's quite very easy. Let me show you around so that you can see what we have here. This is our window sticker. You can get this on our store, ebencuts.com. Very easy for you to get all our materials. Just visit ebencuts.com, and I'm going to take you around to see all the ones that we have created so far. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye. Thank you.